has dropped to 157th place out of 180 countries in the 2026 World Press Freedom Index, falling 6 positions from last year's 151 rank. The report was released by Reporters Without Borders. Pakistan improved its ranking from 158th to 153rd place, while Norway remained in first place for the 10th consecutive year. Despite the Gaza war, Palestine ranked 156th, placing it above India. According to the report, increasing pressure on independent media in India, judicial harassment, criminal defamation cases against journalists, and the use of national security laws have negatively affected the country's ranking. RSF also expressed concern over rising violence against journalists, the concentration of media ownership, and the growing political alignment of news organizations. The 2023 Telecommunications Act, IT Amendment Rules, and the Digital Personal Data Protection Act were described as measures that have increased government control over the media. Journalists in Jammu and Kashmir are reportedly facing severe pressure and threats, while those covering environmental and religious issues are facing harassment and online attacks. The report also noted an increase in the use of strict laws such as Unlawful Activities Prevention Act, sedition, and defamation. Under UAPA, long-term detention without trial is possible and obtaining bail becomes difficult. It further mentioned raids and summons issued to journalists and media organizations by agencies such as the Income Tax Department, Enforcement Directorate, and National Investigation Agency. The 2023 raids on the BBC were cited as a major example. The acquisition of major media outlets like NDTV by the Adani Group was also highlighted as a concern. The report stated that the withdrawal of government advertisements from critical media outlets have increased financial pressure and self-censorship. Under Section 69A of the IT Act, orders are being issued to remove online content, while India continues to lead the world in internet shutdowns, particularly in Jammu and Kashmir. So viewers, will India be able to improve press freedom and protect independent journalism in the coming years? Let us know in the comment section. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.